Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to integrate Printify to your Shopify store. If you're not familiar with Printify yet, basically Printify is a print-on-demand platform where you can create lots of product and you can just create the design and let the Printify to handle the printing as well as the delivery for you. So no hassle at all, it's very easy. And if you would like to broaden your target market, you can use Shopify as your base and you can connect your Printify to your Shopify. And if you would like to know how to do it, continue and watch this video till the very end. So here I am on my Shopify dashboard, and what I'm going to do next is I want to go to this app sections here. So I'm going to go and click the Add Apps button, and then we're going to go to the Shopify App Store. So Shopify allows you to integrate a lot of apps that are very helpful. For example, you can integrate Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, and many more. But today we're just going to focus on Printify. So go ahead and type in Printify. And this is the one that we are looking for, so you can go ahead and click on it. So it says here that this app offers you wide selections of custom product with great prices. You can upload your design quickly and easily, zero risk as you don't have to buy stock upfront, and simple creation process for new items, as well as print and ship around the world. So as I told you earlier, all you have to do is create your design and Printify is going to handle all the rest for you. And with Shopify, you'll be able to track your order as well as your delivery system, etc. even more easier. So connecting those two platforms is a very good thing to do. So we're going to go ahead and click on install. Alright, once we got the Printify installed into our Shopify, we are going to sign in. If you haven't had your Printify yet, you can just sign up, but I already have my account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So you have the options to sign in with your email or with your Gmail. And once you're signed in, you'll be able to see the Printify dashboard on your Shopify like so. So I am going to start and create a product to show you how it works. But before that, let me show you my product list for now. So here are the product that I got on my product list. You can see I got cat food, dog food, pet toys, as well as t-shirt. Now I'm going to create this crew neck sweatshirt as an addition to my product list. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So here you'll be able to see the details of the product that you're trying to create. We got the material as well as the printing provider. So if you scroll down, you will find the printing provider for your product. And it says here that the printing provider give me around 36 color of the product, and I don't have to choose all of them. If I want to, I can just choose several items or several colors. And now I'm going to go ahead and click start designing. Usually some products have more than one printing provider options, so you can have comparison. But there are also some product that only has one printing provider, but don't worry, the printing provider that Printify has already chosen for that product is usually the best one according to their judgment. So even if they don't have a selections of printing provider, it would still be good. But just to be safe, you can always try to order one and ship it to yourself so that you can inspect the quality of the material and the quality of the printing, etc. So here we are in the product designing or the product editor. You can do a bunch of things here. You can upload your own image if you want to. So I'm going to try to upload one image, for example, this one. And then you can adjust the picture like so. You can even select variant. For example, if you want to add more color, like I want to add black here, and then cherry red, and maybe orange. then maybe forest green. So those are the product color that I want to add. And you can just change the color here to see how the design will look like with different color. Or you can also create your own image with AI. So Printify have AI image generator that you can use. Let's try to create one in the style of comic book. Let's say I want to create black and white cat. And then we can go ahead and click generate image. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to add it into my design. And then I'm just going to adjust it. Oops, I'm going to delete the one behind it for now. So let's adjust this to the center of our sweatshirt, and then let's see it in the color of black. And if you would like to add pictures at the back side, you can just move to this backside option. So you got the front side and back side. I'm just going to leave the back one empty. Or you can also go ahead and take a look at the graphic library that they have. So they also have a bunch of graphic library that you can use if you want to. And you can add your own text here. So there's a lot of customization that you can do with Printify. I'm going to go with this cat picture for now. So once I'm done with it, I can go ahead and click on preview, and they will give you the mock-up of the actual product. So this is how the product will look like folded, or how it will look like when someone is wearing it. And you can even change the mock-up color mode if you want, either you want it to be in RGB or the CMYK. Once you're done with that, we can go ahead and click on Save Product. And then you can setting even more on which picture you want to be the front picture for this specific sweatshirt. And then you can add some more details. So the description as well as the title is going to be inserted automatically from the actual product. But if you like to rename it, you can always change it. For example, I want to name it as Cat Crewneck Sweatshirt. And you can add the size table description if you want to. And you can set the shipping method. You can edit the price as well. And once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and click on Publish. Alright, so here is the product now. Now I'm going to take a look at my store and see if the product is also integrated into my product list. Alright, so this is how the product looks like on my store. I've already successfully inserted the Printify product into my Shopify. We can see all the color that we have chosen, as well as the sizes for the product, so that our customer will be able to choose their desired color as well as their desired sizes. We got the pricing on, and all of the details that we got from the Printify itself. Again, you can always change it through the settings on your Shopify product list or on your Printify dashboard. Either way, you can access this product from your Printify dashboard or from your Shopify, because they both are integrated now. It works just the same. And that's basically it. That is how you can integrate Shopify with your Printify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.